One of our key focus areas is ensuring a secure, reliable and safe network. In addition to that, we're thinking now around this new, sustainable, low-carbon future. Today we're here at the Forest Lodge giving consideration to how Mike Casey has gone about contributing to that new future. So Mike, can you tell us about how Aurora Energy was able to help you setting up your operation here?
Yeah, so I guess one of the things we wanted to do is go fully electric. And part of that is understanding the costs associated with going fully electric and what that means. And Aurora helped us in two ways, right? First of all, you guys were really good at helping us understand the costs associated with transformer upgrades and the laying of cables and things for things such as running our electric phosphating fans as well as installing our switchboard, all that kind of stuff. And the other thing that you really taught us how to do was to use power when it was most effective for us to use power, and that way optimise our line charge bill. And so my goal now is to educate as many people in the primary sector about how it is that we can use power and save power during certain times in order to lower that line charge right down.
Do you think what you've achieved is possible for others in similar horticultural businesses to get the same outcome?
But if you add up all the savings we make over the next 7 years, we actually pay back the complete electrification of our project compared to if we'd gone with diesel technology instead. Probably the one thing at the moment that's the biggest challenge is that you can't just do it in a piecewise fashion. You can't just start and just do one thing and then do the next thing and do the next thing, because there's that massive upfront capital costs. And so all I want to do, working with Aurora, is run a really highly profitable primary sector operation that is fully electric, and let as many farmers come and see this as possible and allow them to, excuse the pun, cherry pick the parts that we've done that are right for their businesses.
Look, I think your willingness to share all of your learnings is quite admirable, and not everybody would do that. They'll be focusing on their own commercial sort of outcomes, but to me it feels like this new sustainability sort of initiative we're trying to get, this low carbon future, is going to involve a lot of sharing of knowledge.
We're not going to solve the climate crisis without collaboration, right? My role is to educate other end users on how to do what we've done, and show them how we've done decarbonised our operations so that they can do the same.
How did it feel when you tasted your first cherry?
Those cherries taste much sweeter knowing how much money we save on energy now.
We've heard from Mike Casey here today at Forest Lodge around how new electricity solutions can be sustainable and affordable. We're going to continue to work with our electricity sector peers and other market players to deliver a low carbon, sustainable new energy future.